Lake Van, a large saltwater lake, situated in eastern Turkey. Covering roughly 3,755 square kilometers in total surface area, it is the largest inland body of water in Turkey, and the second largest lake in the Middle East. Lake Van is roughly the same size as of Lake Peipus, or roughly 6.1 times as big as Dead Sea. While Lake Athabasca is roughly 2.1 times as big as Lake Van, and Lake Winnipeg is 6.5 times as big as Lake Van. Situated within the provinces of Van and Bitlis, Lake Van has a triangular shape and is divided into two sections, a much smaller and shallower northern part, and the main body of water in the south. Lake Van is situated at an elevation of 1,648 meters above sea level, and is surrounded by semi-active volcanoes of Nemrut and Süphan. With an average depth of 171 meters and maximum depth of 451 meters, Lake Van is the deepest lake in Turkey. The lake has a volume of roughly 642 cubic kilometers. It contains roughly 38% of Turkey's total surface water. Lake Van has a maximum length of 120 kilometers, and is roughly 80 kilometers wide at its widest point. The lake's shore length measures roughly 430 kilometers. Several rivers and mountain streams flow into Lake Van. The Bendimihi and Zylan rivers flow into the lake from the north and the Karasu and Mysinga rivers from the east. Lake Van is an endorheic lake, and has no outlet, so its water disappears solely by evaporation, resulting in high salinity. Lake Van has high salt concentration of approximately 23 grams per liter and a pH of nearly 10. This makes the lake's water unsuitable for drinking or irrigation. Due to its high salinity and pH levels, Lake Van is devoid of any major marine species. The only life form that can survive in the water is a species of freshwater fish called terek, that has adapted to live in a saline environment. Although located at high altitude, the lake rarely freezes due to its high salt content.